accountable and gets them energized about being on the webinar. Reinstance. Number 2, micro commitments. Every step the customer or potential customer takes between the time they register for your webinar to the actual attendance of the webinar. Every little thing you can get them to do, little click you can make them to do, a little email you can get them to do, video you can get them to watch. Every single thing rapidly increases the odds and chances of them actually showing up to the webinar. This little training video has been a staple.
Hey, don't do this to me now. What do you call this thing? Duet. Good evening, everybody. Hopefully you're doing great. I'm just trying to get this chat set up here. I'm going to do our Pulse X training live tonight. Please connect from your iOS device. And it's right here. That's wild. Just letting everybody come in, guys. What's up, everybody? I'm going to be jumping on the charts real quick. Let me just go ahead and share this. Can you guys hear this webinar in the background? I was supposed to be on this meeting at the same time, and I booked both. I just want to take a few trades with you guys, do some training, maybe go for 30 minutes or so. I know that Coach Christian couldn't. Actually, I'm just going to turn this off. I don't care about that meeting. This is more important. There we go. Now, if I could just get the chat working. All right, Carla, peace in. Carla, what's up? Michael, how are you doing? I'm going to go ahead and share that on the screen while I'm getting this up real quick. And I want to share this in, there's Aiden, add to stream. Let's go. Let's see if there's an echo. You guys let me know if there's an echo.
Hello?
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up?
You hear an echo on your end?
I hear myself a little bit, but it's not noticeable.
How about you guys? Do you hear an echo or anything weird? And I don't see your face. There's my son. You have the blur background going?
Do I?
You should.
Well, yeah, I know, but it's not working, so.
Okay.
It says it's on. And also, why am I so zoomed in?
Well, that works. It's all good. There's my son. There's my son, Aiden. Let me know, guys, is there an echo or anything going on right now? I'm just trying to set this up. I don't know what you're seeing. What do you want to see?
I'm just asking if they see what I see.
What do you see?
I see I'm like a slim box and you're like a...
Well, that's... What do you expect to happen here?
No, I just want to make sure... No. You can hide it because I don't want my background there.
Is that better?
No, you can.
Oh, okay. We'll make you... How about this?
No, okay, you just exposed my whole room. We'll be back.
All right. Expose my whole room. Well, why don't you just clean it? I see dead people. Michael, what's up, buddy? He says dead people, he says. I don't know what that means, but all right. By the way, Aiden, Michael literally just hit $6,500 paid out to his bank account.
No way.
Yeah, man.
Let's go. That's awesome.
Fantastic. All right, I better share this real quick to Solomon Trading at least. Let's see here. I'm just gonna get right into it. I don't want to waste anybody's time. I know you guys are busy with your families at night, but I know Coach Christian was basically off for his birthday tonight, so I was like, you know what, I'll jump on. I've been enjoying these lives. It's been fun. All right, let me go to Telegram. This is something I need to get you doing, Aiden. Like, just have a list of places to hit. Like, instead of me doing it while I'm live, that'd be kind of cool. Coach.
Yeah.
Join me live. Wouldn't that be funny if tonight was the night we hit over 100 viewers? I don't think that'll happen, but we hit 87 people today. It was pretty cool. Really cool. Institutional. And then
Does it sound like Crisp is on, or can you hear my background?
sound good? Sound good. All right, there we go. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Put this over here. Hey, the real-time feed. Let's go. Raymond here. Raymond like. With a U. 6 cents. Sounds great, Jeff Minter. What's up, buddy? All right, cool. So let me share my screen here. Boom. I don't know how that's going to work. I guess maybe we won't see you, which that's fine.
I'm fine with that.
I know you're fine with it. Actually.
Nice. Actually, this is fine. Actually, that's good. That's good.
I'm trying to see if I can make this one bigger. Nope. Let's try. Nope. It's almost okay. Yeah, screw it. Maximize. There we go. Get rid of the chat. Almost there, guys. We're just setting everything up. I was actually expecting there to be an echo, and there isn't, so that's good. Ooh. That's close.
Alpha.
I got to get rid of PSIN over here. How do I unclear? How do I hide this? If I show and then unshow. There we go. That's probably still too small. Let's just one more little thing, guys. Let me see here. Make this bigger? No. Ooh, here we go. No, that's not it. Oh, maybe. Hold on. Size. There we go. Aiden, we did it. Okay, cool.
Perfect.
I knew there'd be something on there. I just wanted to have my son on here with you, with us guys. Hopefully, if you guys don't know, here's Aiden. This is my son. This is my boy, 17-year-old, and he passes more challenges than most people do. Kind of crazy. He'll be like, "Dad, pass another one. Dad, pass another one." Like, man, we should start a passing service at this rate. You know, these kids these days, man, they're sharp. They still got their brain. Bobby P, what's up, Nicholas? Yeah, and setting up. Okay, we'll check that out. 49.72% on my day one for 150K. Ooh, that was close. TBT, and just hit another 21.25. I'm done for tonight and tomorrow. Good job, buddy. At 6,600 out of 9,000. Boom. Let's go. By the way, guys, if we didn't have to get out of that trade earlier, look at this. Actually, I didn't have to, but anybody hold this earlier? This was really good. This worked out great. It just cleared that fair value gap that we had drawn up. All right, so let's do this. I'm gonna clear this out. It still has this fair value gap down here, but we just wicked this bottom. So let's go ahead and just kind of look at what we're looking at here. We're coming down this external low. We have a nice green 5-minute or 15-minute block there. I'm gonna go ahead and go to, just delete that, I guess. Anybody profit from that though? I mean, we were right. Yeah, I mean, we were right. I mean, it couldn't be more right. It just was the wrong time, you know. And I didn't feel I had that meeting, and I didn't feel like dealing with it, honestly. So let me load up Paul Sachs, because that is what this call is about. This is our indicator pulse X premium. Now, when I'm trying to take trades out of a block like this, I drop down to the 15-second. I'm just really waiting for a cloud flip. So if I could see this cloud flip to green, that would be ideal, right? What's everybody been up to today after our call? I know I was live for 2 hours and 40 minutes earlier, and I don't know what all could have happened in that short period of time, but
I caught a 1 to 2 earlier. After
Oh,
the
yeah?
live. It
thank
was
you.
about actually, yeah, it was about like an hour ago.
Nice.
Got 450 off of it.
Why didn't you hit me up? You trying to keep money from your pops?
Yeah, you know.
Yeah. Trying to keep it in the family, right? You gotta let me know.
My bad.
So while we're waiting on this, what I'll do is I'll put an alert. People always ask, can you put an alert on Pulse X, right? So I'm gonna put an alert. Oops, that's not right. Add alert on Pulse X, and we're gonna do it on the condition. No, hold on a second, it's been a while. On cloud, a buy cloud alert. That's it. Once per bar closes on the 15-second. So I don't have to sit here and stare at this. I could just kind of leave this now, and then we can go look at some other stuff. Bethany's class was good. Yeah, everybody made money today. It was crazy. I had to get out before the bell closed. It was break even for me. Gotcha. So what I like to do on these kind of sessions is I'll literally just back test, right? So I love MNQ. We could try something else, but I love MNQ. I'm just going to go like this and go on this MNQ and just go back in time. I don't know how far. I'll do it on the 15-second because I like to show it on the 15-second, right? So I'll go as far as I can back in time. Oops, that's not right. As far as I can back in time on the 15-second. I'm just going to do a live back testing session. Yep.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Probably should pay attention to the time, but no, let's not, because on the 15-second, you could actually scalp the market decently well in agent session. I'll be turning this. We'll be getting off at like 9:45, 10 o'clock. So this will be a short one tonight. I know. Is there just no data back here? Is that what's going on? Oh no, there is.
What the?
It was in there
That's
somewhere.
weird. Yeah.
Well, I don't know when it flipped. Anybody know when the data flipped? Was it November or something? No, it would be November. June. Maybe we're okay. Let me go to the higher time frame and see what it looks like. I guess we're okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just play off of this. I'm going to go to the 1 hour and see where we're currently at. And we're currently up in this pullback area, right? So this whole area essentially is one. I don't know. We just take it from anywhere, I guess. And really, now we go down to the 5 minute. We're just looking for some kind of structure. So we're in a structure right here. I mean, you don't have to make this too complicated, ultimately. Like, red area right here. On the 15-second, you're looking for cloud flips, which we had right here. Okay, so this has been your cloud flip, pull back, and it started going down. So this entry would be right there. Stop. Obviously, can't be 7. I mean, that'd be dumb. But let's do 10 points at a time, huh? Just for fun, because it's Asian session. Let's go back here, and we'll just get in. Oop, what the heck? Unavailable for playback. Okay. All right. So we'll just sell. Boom, boom, boom. Stop here. And we're just looking to take some liquidity. Should I break that up in $800 times 3 days? I don't like doing that, Steven. What I like to do is I just take small trades until I find an A+ setup to go bigger on. That's what I do. Because the chances, I mean, obviously there's probably going to be 3 days of $800 a day, but like, why not hit, you know, a $4,400 day again and just the rest just like creep on by? That's my theory. It's just like when I have other ones in the oven, that's what I call it. Basically, I'll have some ready to pass, like that have already passed way past 5 trading days. All right, so as you can see, we're killing this. I'll set the break even at this point because we broke some structures right here. Actually, I won't. Let's see. I'm gonna regret that. There we go, perfect. Now I'll set the break even. Right, so we locked in nothing yet. We're just kind of waiting, right? See if we could keep pushing. Just kind of trailing it. Oops. I'm just going to put it right here, lock in 1120 or nothing. And whoop, one first trade. What time of the day was that? That was 9:10, basically right now. That's crazy. So that would have been a nice, easy trade to take with Pulse X. Look, it's not that complicated. We just look for 5-minute blocks, right, in the overall direction that we want to go. So we're coming down to this 5-minute block right now. Boom. This is a buy block, green area, 15-second. Let's wait for a green cloud flip. Got our green cloud flip. We did not enter this trade. What is this? Oh man, I didn't have that stop closed. That doesn't count. That's messed up. That's messed up. Hey, that actually happens to a lot of people. That's happened to me.
You'll get it back anyway.
Yeah, that's crazy. All right, so I'm not taking this push off because, well, we are building this liquidity. Let's look up higher. 5-minute. We should have you explain your favorite way of trading, Aiden.
I can explain. I don't know if I can share my screen here though. I mean, it's fairly simple.
Yeah? Let's have you share your screen. I just want to see what you do.
I don't even know. Hold on.
Yeah, but just
Would
get
it,
it up.
would it share my entire screen?
You could share just the tab. Just that.
See if I can open trading view.
Guys, Apex having a big old sale right now. 90% off, I believe. It's $18 for 50K. Use code Solomon. It's a good time to up on that. Up. Steven says, Aiden, you're growing up fast, man. Happy to see you on here.
Thank you, man.
That's that action figure dude we were talking about.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. You said I look like an action
I'm trying
figure.
to figure out how to.
All right. Meanwhile, while you're doing that,
My
all
trading
right.
view's not letting you.
I do like the upside here, honestly. But while Aiden's doing his thing, we'll see if this pulls back down. I was right on the upside. All right, let's see if we can pull back down. No. This is when we start mitigation scalping, guys. So we don't need this on here. We don't really need. Oh, that's the. Wait, what was that? Was that the 1 hour? That's why I'm confused because I don't have it my color. So we're up here mitigating this block. So let's go to the 15-second. Look for red cloud flip. Here's our red cloud flip. Let's see if we can get a sell off of this. If it breaks past this, I'll get in. Or if it touches that and drops, I'll get in. Let's see. Nope. See, we stayed out. Never came back down. All right, we got red again. And I guess I would have probably got in that. No, it wasn't red enough. I need it like redder like this. So we'll just wait. If it breaks this structure right here again, I'll get in. Not strong, solid yet. All right, so it's just kind of thin. These are the things that, like, when I was watching people back in the day, He is eating my meal plans. 250K lifetime fee, only 237 when you pass. What's 250K lifetime fee? What's that mean? All right, we're waiting still. Right now it's keeping us out of the market. We need this red. There it is. So again, when it comes up like this, I'll wait to see, okay, if it closes back below here, I'll get in. If it comes up here and rejects, I'll get in. All right, up there and there. That was our entry. Don't even play me. That was my entry. Share, boom. We need, let's do a 10-point stop. Let's attack this liquidity, guys. Always look here to where the market might take it. $37 fee to activate. How much is it 90% off a 250K account? All right, maybe I'll grab some 250Ks then. That ain't a joke. All right, I'm gonna sell this. We're just going all in. 300 contracts, just like that. All in, full porting. No. What you could do on demos, right? Lost that one real quick. Oh wait, I didn't put my stop. On stop. We'll put it right above that. DP. Looks like she wants to go higher, maybe, or not. Wait, we would have DCA'd right here, so I need 300 more contracts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're doing it Steven style right now. Just all day, Steven style. All right, let's see if we can drop. Don't you do it? Don't you do it? Just fall. All right, I was just about to say, I don't like the liquidity build up right here. Who's that with Nicholas? Oh, Apex. Our favorite, Steven. Our favorite. It's probably going up. We'll see. Okay. All right. In profit. Heavy profit, because this is normal, right? All right, break even. Just give it some room, guys, to breathe. Sometimes you break even and it sucks, and you could have walked away with $16,000. It does happen. We just full ported that for you, Steven. Let's check M&Q. I don't think it's actually flipped, has it? I must not have. But I get an alert. Nope. Still playing around, but you get the idea. As soon as this turns green, we wait for the pullback, and then we're expecting to take this out up here. Right up here. Check gold. Just shooting down, just going down, just going down. Now, a lot of people, they like taking it off this red cloud and just keep going down and keep going down. Eventually, you're going to get taken out, which is fine if you can handle it, right? So maybe take 1 to 2s or 1 to 1s all the way down until you lose, and then expect it to reverse the other way. It's really that easy. So it's going up, it's going up, it's going up, and then you lose. Okay, then wait for the red cloud flip, and it's going down, it's going down, it's going down, then you lose. Meant to cancel some contracts with them, and it hit freaking reset today. Let's do back testing competition sometime with a group of students and educators. Hey, what's that one site called, Aiden? We could do it right now.
I think it's called Chart Champs.
Who wants to take me on right now? Chart Champ. Me versus Steven. Straight up right now, we're doing it.
Yeah, I can't pull up my trading view is just not working, but I can just show the trades that I took today off of Top Step on the browser.
Yeah, let's do that. Well, I don't use the app. You use the Trading View app. I don't even use that. I use the browser.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. So this is just a
Okay.
tab they're looking at, but we can do whatever you want. Or I'll stop sharing. You go ahead and share now.
Okay. Let me see.
Your background's not that bad. You just look like a teenager is all.
Yeah,
Just ready
that's
for
fine.
just ready for bed.
That's what I'm supposed to be, right?
I was like,
Oh,
hey,
I'm
you want to
so
jump
ready for
on
bed. I'm
live?
so
And he was like,
tired.
dude, I fall asleep. Marlon, this is my indicator Pulse X Premium. It's part of my Solomon Trading VIP program. You can get it at Solomon Trading VIP.
Did it show up there?
No, SolomonTrading.com. Over on, actually, the QR code is right there, top left, if you want to go to their site. What did you say?
Should have shown up. Okay.
Why can't I see your screen yet?
Is it? You can see it now.
I just saw you doing that. Now you're grounded.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
don't- add to the scene. There we go. Bingo. It's really dark.
It's dark.
Yeah, it's your screen. Why is it so
Hmm.
dark? You're all right. That's really
Oh, sure,
dark.
wait, let me see your. Wait, it's not dark for me. Hold on, let me see.
It's that monitor you got, man. He has it on like extra vibrant.
How would that affect yours?
Because I think it's actually dark and you brighten it up so much with your monitor.
But my monitor is my display.
I'm
I
gonna
don't
show you. I'm gonna show you right now. Hold on.
Well, I'm looking at the stream. It looks fine.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you also got young eyes. That's another fact, right?
Well, I have different chart colors too, so I mean that might be what's throwing you off. But
Most of us, we need progressive or bifocals now.
yeah, okay, I see.
So if I know you're like, you could just see everything perfectly.
Bifocals. Yeah. You have bifocals yet?
I don't.
Next year?
They keep
kidding.
they keep threatening me with it.
Are you able to
I'm
see
not-
my stream?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, so I mean, there's nothing special. I'll just show. I think I took a total of 3 trades today. All were winning trades.
Zoom
This-
in like a lot closer because your screen is really big.
Okay, got you. Am I able to? I don't know if I can like zoom in my whole screen. You mean like just on the
Just-
chart?
Just on the chart.
Okay.
Zoom into the area.
So
Push replay, so they don't see the candles in front of them.
it's top step. You can't do that.
Oh, it's top step.
Yeah, it's not trading view. So to start off, I mean, it's literally everything my dad teaches you. You wait for a break of structure, and then you're allowed to take a trade. Let me see. Here we go. I'll just show you what I look for. So basically, this isn't like exactly what my dad does, but a lot of it is. So here's the brush tool. I'm not like
Isn't that funny? Like we all have our own styles. Even my own son doesn't do exactly what I do. That's
Yeah,
that's a
I'm-
good point to make out loud.
I've just noticed this just works better for me, and I have better win percentage by doing this. And I'll show you what I do. So what I look for is basically like exactly like he does, a break of structure. So like right here, I'd be waiting for this to break to go below
I'm gonna
here.
be honest. This is really hard to see for me.
Okay, can I
Is
zoom
that-
in? Is it better?
It's that dark.
It's the color. It's the color.
The color plus the dark background. It's like I feel like I'm back in the 1980s colors or something.
Can I change? Oh, I can change this color. Oh, that's better. Okay. Can you see it better? Nope. Okay, hold on.
Oh.
Can you see this better?
How about you just make your background of your chart white and then use black? Just real quick for me. Sorry, guys. Timothy says, I also think Bob have been able to see liquidity build up.
Oh, that's bright. Sorry.
Awesome. Well, you got that vibrant screen.
What do you? It's my monitor,
Bro, you have it on
Okay.
extra vibrant.
Okay, is this Can
That's
you see it
good.
well? Okay,
Yep.
okay. Here we go. Okay, hold on. Sorry, this is horrible. Okay, so basically I mean, you guys probably have already gone through this like a million times, but this is everything my dad teaches you. You wait for literally just a break of structure. You come down, breaks the structure, solid close below it, And then I usually wait for some sort of 1 minute confluence to get into the trade. I don't just pull the trigger usually right off the candle close. I usually wait for a fair value gap which is it's 3 consecutive candles in the same direction, if you don't know, with a gap in between the middle candle. So I usually wait for it to close below the structure to break the structure and switch my bias. And then it comes up and taps preferably a 1 minute fair value gap, and then that's where I enter of the trade, is from there, and then I take it down from that point, from the fair value gap, and I usually target a lower point of liquidity and put my stop above a higher point of liquidity for it to just rest above. So I could just go over the trades that I took today.
Yeah. Please do. And then let's layer on Paul Sachs. Do you even have that on your chart right now?
No, this is top step, so I don't know if I...
Oh, my bad. Yeah. You're good. No, it definitely doesn't have it on top step.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so right here, the first thing I saw, this just dumped here. Like, it was in a clear downtrend here. And then I saw it broke structure right here, and this turned into a bit of an uptrend.
You draw a line where
then it seems...
draw a line on the breaking
yeah,
structure. Yeah, you're good.
Oh, wait. Oh, that's why. Okay, so I had right here marked up, but it was white before, so... There, it's black now. So you can see right here, this made a lower low and broke structure below. So I'm waiting for either for it to flip, because I'm biased right now because it has a bunch of liquidity up here that I'd like to see it take out. Why are you laughing?
I'm sorry. Nicholas said Aiden's getting a sunburn from his monitor right now. Just threw me off.
Am I red?
You're good.
Okay. So, anyway, I was waiting for a structure to break to the upside. So that's exactly what happened here. It flipped to the downside around here. And then I saw this candle close above this, which is a break of structure. And then, as you can see here, what I showed before, I waited for a 1 minute fair value gap. And that's what happened right here. As you can see on this purple box. I don't know why it's purple, but...
we know why it's purple, Aiden.
I do not. I actually like the color, but right here, you can see the fair value gap. Most of you guys know what a fair value gap is, but then you can see it came down and tapped into this, and then I set my stop below this and just took I think I got her out around here. It was like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minute trade. So nice. Just in and out, and I think that one got me like 500, I think. For the account today.
Not bad.
And similar thing happened here. Let me just mark up I don't think I have a line there. Break of structure here. You can see this candle closed solid above this. And then I waited for a 1 minute fair value gap, which happened right here. It tapped into the fair value gap, and I got in. Usually I just get in right when it taps into the fair value gap. I set a limit order. And if I can move that actually out of the way.
So let me ask you a question, because I know what they're thinking. When exactly do you get in on the fair value gap? When you see it rejected, just go for it, or you wait for it to close, or like what do you do?
Usually when it's a bigger candle like this, I like to have the limit order set towards the middle right here. But for this one, I felt like it was going to go up. So I was just confident in myself here. So I had the fair value gap marked up. And I had this limit order sitting here with my stop, I believe, below... I can't remember what... Let me just see. Oh, yeah, that's where... Okay, so...
Look at
had it below this little low right here. Let me see this. Okay, so yeah, that's what happened. And then...
How big of a stop is that?
That's just almost 25 points. I think probably around 25. And that was about a 1 to 1.22 trade. And I just, same thing happened from the other, as the other trade. I just tapped into the fair value gap and wrote it up. I had my stop loss. Oh my gosh, my take profit at this high. So just for it to tap into there. And literally the same exact thing happened here. So I'm not going to go through that, but yeah, that was my 3 trades for the day.
So Steven asks if you look for an SMT in the FBG. Yeah, you know me. Sorry, that just popped out of my head.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you look for an SMT?
No, actually, I don't really look at SMTs at all. I know they do help a lot, and honestly, I just don't cycle between charts like MNQ and ES. I don't
Right.
cycle between them at all. So I mean, I don't really feel the need to. I have consistent 1-to-2, 1-to-1 trades, and that's all I need for the day.
I will say it's really nice because a lot of times ES is ahead of NQ, and it's a really good indication that it's probably going to go that direction. But no, I agree with Aiden. A lot of times it just, it works out. It works out. I would still like to get this entry down 100% what you just said. So you just go for it. You like, I got to get your entry model down.
Got you. Okay, so let me just pull out a. Can you see my screen still?
Yeah.
Okay, you see this doc?
Doc. You got
You don't
to.
see the doc? Okay, I got you.
Are you looking at? All right. If you're in another tab, there's a button at the top that says share this tab while you're sharing.
Okay. I believe I had a. Oh. You see this?
No.
You don't see this? This is the.
You gotta
doc?
push the share button.
I did. I just
Push it again. There you go.
That was on. Okay.
All right. Make your screen a lot smaller, or something, or zoom in.
You know what? Here, I got you. Hold on. We're just gonna do on here. We're gonna turn this black.
You're using like 4,000 resolution or something.
Oh my gosh. And then we're gonna go here and turn this white.
Somebody bring me my readers.
All right.
What's your impetus to get out? Nicholas said. Yeah. What makes you want to get out?
What makes me want to get out? I target the next big. Here, let me show you. Okay, now it's dark. Why are the colors so weird?
I can't see nothing.
You can't see this?
No. Share again. I think you got to tell me when you're going to click the share button because this little thing pops up, and if I don't see it and click OK, it vanishes within like 3 seconds.
Okay, I'm sharing right now.
Okay. And I'm going to push add to scene. There you go.
Okay. What was the question?
Says SFT and FBG. Yeah, you know me. Yeah, Steven caught that. Break of structure. Look for FBG on 1 minute. Execute. Yes.
It's literally, yeah. I mean, that pretty much sums it up. I mean, there's not much else. I don't look for an SMT. Literally just a break of structure to ride in the other direction. But yeah, the question was, how do I know when I want to get out?
Yeah.
Was it okay?
The highs or what?
Yeah, it's literally just the previous high. So, a previous high that I think it's more than likely to hit. So I mean, and we tapped into the 1 minute fair value gap right here, and then I set my take profit up here above this high. And I mean, this was already.
And why? Let me ask you this: why do you think it will go there?
Because there's liquidity resting above these for sellers.
Yeah, you get it.
So
yeah.
I mean, the market has to go both ways. So I mean, it's just gonna go sooner or later. Let me see. Hold on. Why does the market look like this? But yeah, for the take profits, I usually just target the previous high.
Hey,
so right here.
Can you zoom in a lot more to that area, just on your chart? Yeah, there you go.
Right here. Okay,
yeah, that's good. There you go.
So this take profit here.
Mm-hmm.
I think I got out of the trade like right here. I think that's why my take profit was here. Oh yeah, that makes sense because it's literally lined up with this high. That's where I got out. So right here, that's where I set my take profit.
I'm gonna say this straight up. There's nothing more satisfying than watching it go exactly where you want it to go because you know the market needs to go there. Like it's
Yeah.
amazing. It's almost like a superpower. So like whenever I like line up like different areas I think it's going to take out and it goes exactly there, it's kind of like, oh my gosh, I almost start feeling like I'm the bank. And I'm like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's amazing.
It's like less predicting, or you trying to predict where it's going to go, and more just like agreeing with where it has to go.
Has to go.
Is what I've understand.
Yeah.
Same thing here. I mean, where did I put my stop here? I put a little bit above this high or this low, which is liquidity. Yeah, my take profit.
Now, why don't you do? I noticed that's like a 1-to-1, right?
It just depends on how far. Because right here, I mean, I this isn't really much of a fair value gap, but it is a big gap that it had to tap into before shooting down, or not had to, but I would like to see it tap into it because without that, I wouldn't have an entry. But let me see. Yeah, I don't always target 1-to-1s, preferably 1-to-2s. But since this was so high and I didn't want to my take profit all the way down here, because I also don't want to be in the trade for like 2 hours. So that's not fun, because you can see here it literally just chopped sideways, and then by the time it got down to here, it had been like 15, just like 4 to what was that?
Thanks, Steven. Appreciate
4 to
it.
6. Yeah, literally 2 hours.
Yeah, well, you know what? Why don't you show us another setup?
I mean,
You have any
I
other
can
ones
try,
in
but it's
mind?
kind of hard to do without trading.
Yeah,
view.
just,
Hold on,
like,
let me
do
look
you
for
have any other setups that you saved or what?
Let me see. I could just scroll back in my charts.
Looks like you lost that one.
Yeah, no. This is like, ew, lost what?
Did you lose that trade? Oh, that wasn't. I thought that was a stop.
Yeah, these aren't trades. These are just blocks.
Yeah,
I think my my long and short tools just disappear after I refresh the chart after
gotcha.
a certain amount of times. But yeah, I mean, it'd be a lot easier if I was able to go on TradingView and show you from like a replay.
Have you ever read a whole book in your life, Aiden?
I was forced to in English class.
Nicholas says, "What books are you reading right now, Coach Aiden?" I told Aiden, you know what? You know what's funny is I rarely read, but I almost got to read more stuff just to like while I'm talking to you guys, I have stuff to talk about. Otherwise, it's the same thing over and over again as I talk. There's nothing more that like whenever I start reading something, especially if it's pretty interesting, I like man, I could like pop out like 20 new ideas.
Yeah. I mean, I have a decent amount of books right next to me, like self-development, motivation books. But like,
I've been trying to get him to read The Smart Edge for like since he was like 12 or 13.
The Slight Edge.
Yep.
Yeah.
If you haven't read that book,
I actually read. I think I might have finished it. It's called As a Man Thinketh. It's a really good book. Love the book.
Nice. Did you think a lot after?
Yeah.
Just kidding. So what I want to show you guys, I'm going to share the screen now. I'm just going to take it. All right. So share the screen. Thank you, Aiden. Thank you for that, buddy. All right. Where's my freaking restream? Oh man. There we are. And I want to go back to Paul Sachs and show you how you can utilize what he just said with Paul Sachs. Okay. So we just, by the way, this is GC doing exactly what we want to do right now. There might actually be a trade on GC right now. Let me see. I don't like any of these 5-minute. It's not real 5-minute breaks, so I'm not liking this. With that said, here is a BOS breakup structure. This literally is happening right now. What Aiden was just showing, right? There's a BOS right here, right? Then you have a fair value gap right here, and it just tagged that.
Is this gold?
It's gold. Look at that. Here's literally his move playing out right now.
Literally messed it up, 100%.
Right now. Now let's look at. I spotted this actually first with Paul Sachs. Look, green cloud flip. Okay, when the clouds flip. So I built this to kind of go along with smart money type concepts, right? And people don't understand that. They think, oh, that's just a cloud. That's like a EMA crossed with a whatever. Sure. Okay, cool. But that what I teach with it is to help you identify these things that Aiden is talking about and what we teach all the time, like with X factor, break the structure, pull back, enter. A lot of those things that we're talking about, let's look what we just talked about. Look at this, guys. What do we teach with pulse X? Okay, this broke structure, cloud flip green, came back, closed above right here. Now our entry would have been a little late. Our entry would have been right here. But you see how it closed back up above? That would have been our entry with pulse X. So I want you guys to understand, you think, oh, you guys have so many strategies. No, it's actually all the same thing. I promise you. It's just taught in different ways, and it just so happens to work, right? So there is another FEG that's unmitigated right here, essentially. It's mostly mitigated, but this could come down. The other style of trading that I do with pulse X is, let's say this comes down, and then you go to like an order block and you start rejecting. If there's like a 1-to-1 to pulse X, let's say it was 10 right here. Let's say it comes down here, takes out some of this liquidity and starts rejecting, break a structure. If there's at least a 1-to-1 to the pulse X line, we take that, right? Easy. And then what do I mean by 1-to-1? Is that all we want? No, we set it to break even, or if you're satisfied, take the 1-to-1. It's like an 80-90% win ratio, right? Let's see what this they're saying right now. This is so cool watching your son explain his work. He's going to be an amazing teacher. Yes. Guys, stay tuned. We're going to be putting out some trainings together. Our idea is to have him, because we're huge on generational wealth. We're huge on, like, it's one thing to make money, but it's another thing to pass on the skills to your kids. So we're huge on that in Solomon Trading. As you know, we're doing that $100 to $1 million challenge. We've been on kind of pause right now because it's summer. We blew a couple accounts, all good. I told you if it takes us 500 tries to get to $1 million, was it worth it, right? That'd be what, is that 50,000? 50,000 times 100? Yeah. If it took $50,000 to make $1 million, was it worth it? Absolutely. What if we never hit it? What would we learn from that? It's okay. Like, I'm not telling you we're gonna hit it, but I'm saying, you know, the idea behind it is we want to send out trades together as a father son, and the idea behind it is to get your kids involved, right, with Solomon Trading. That's the whole vision behind this. Is that now the next level of that? The next step is to have a place for your teens to go. That's not all about, like, I'll do my best not to have my son like driving around in a Lambo and have big chains. That'll be my goal in life, is just to make it so he's not that guy, and that he can actually relate to. And I'm not making fun of anybody, whatever. That's their style. That's cool. But I'll do my best to keep him kosher, I guess is the word.
Humble. Good word. Rich says, Aiden, you are my son's age. I'm showing him this replay for sure. He'll connect with you for sure. Awesome.
Yeah. So guys, if you're not a part of Solomon Trading yet, jump in, because I'm going to have Aiden coming on. We're going to be doing trainings. It's going to be fun. Yeah, I think there's a coaching. Need a coaching spot for you a few times a week.
Oh, yeah.
I think we need it. What do you guys think? Go ahead and put type Aiden in the box if you want me to just start having like at least 3 sessions a week for Aiden to coach you during a live session. We just add that to the mix between Christian and Bethany and me. And there's our daughter, Francesca. Let's see. Thank you. As a man, I think is sitting in my office at work, actually. Nice. Previous high? I think he meant previous high, but yeah. Awesome strategy, bud. We're a very impressive young man. Appreciate you, man. Thanks, guys. Got to get my kids in bed. Steven, congrats on that good work today. Coach Aiden, thanks for the lesson. And I think, yeah, 8 more minutes. We're gonna be out of here. Aiden. Okay, so one person wants Aiden to have a session. Aiden, hop in my coaching folder. I have been adding Aiden to the coaching folders lately. Some of them, just so he can get an idea of that stuff. Got funded with Apex 1 year of trading and currently down 1K on the account. Was doing orb 5-minute breakout, put me in drawdown. Yeah, it's rough, you know. Orb is exciting when it works, but it could be dangerous. I mean, you are playing with the open, right? Aiden, hop. We have a whole theory around here. Let's make trading boring again. Like, it's fun. Obviously, it's fun to win. This is kind of cool to take these trades. That was the most delayed. Are we that delayed that they're like, Aiden? They're like,
no, I mean, when I look at the stream, it's not like crazy delayed.
I was gonna say maybe because we're on the same internet or something.
Yeah, that's probably it. I don't know.
Maybe
it's
I don't know.
Delayed.
Open with fairback. Yeah. Know all about the orb, man. It works when it works. The problem I have with it, Chewy, is the dopamine hit. I'm huge on this when it comes to. Oh, this is looking good. I'm huge on this when it comes to mindset, where the orb strategy can become somewhat of an addiction, right? You're like, oh, it's exciting, boom, and then you kind of like miss it by a little bit, and you're like, crap, I'm going to enter one more time. It's going to make it this time, and then it's boom, and then it goes back up the other direction, and it goes boom, and then you're like, crap, and then you wake up and you snap out of it, and it's like dopamine hit, and it's just like I think too much excitement, especially during open. I mean, my gosh, too much excitement could be a bad thing, right? And next thing you know, it's like you can't think fast enough to realize, oh crap, I just run the account. And I'm speaking from experience. Like, I'm speaking from someone who like, oh man, I got this freaking down. I've been doing so good with it. Then bam, it just takes like 1 or 2 bad days, or one really bad day, and you're freaking toast.
And that one bad day can throw off your whole month too.
Everything. And then mentally, if you're not ready for it, oh my gosh, now you're just on this losing streak and you're trying to dig your way out. And you know how many times I just burned accounts because I'm like, I don't even want to trade this account anymore. I just want to start over because it's so bad. It's so bad. Let's see. So gold. I didn't take any trades. I was going to take a trade tonight, but there just hasn't been anything. The other night when we came on, I think it's two Thursdays ago, and we took this nice NQ. Everybody killed it. It was awesome. 5 minutes, guys. By the way, if you're not a part of Solomon Trading VIP, you want to see Coach Aiden and myself, and also just all the other things we offer, the indicator and all that kind of stuff. It's just $97 a month. We do have a lifetime special right now. You just go to solomontrading.com, and you can also hit the QR code top left corner right there. And also, if you're not subscribed, I do live sessions on YouTube Monday through Friday, 1 o'clock to 3, sometimes 4 o'clock. So I don't usually, but we do. I'll take it if I see it. You know, I'm not a huge Asian session trader. We have some sessions for London. We have lots of sessions for New York Open, and then I do an afternoon session in the afternoon. So 4 more minutes. Let's see if we got anything else, guys. I just wanted to kind of show you a couple more examples with Paul Sec. Let's look up here where this flipped. Let's see if we had any kind of anything up here. Okay, let's look. Okay, oh, we did. All right, so this is how fast I identified this. Okay, let's use Paul Sec's Premium with the way Aiden was just trading right now, and this is how quick I saw it. All right, so we had break of structure. Boom. Right. Let's identify the fair value gap. Essentially, you can go to here because there was no wick on this. We have a fair value gap right here. We wait for pullback. Boom. Enter. And by the way, this is red, so I would have been looking right here. I would have entered right on this wick, probably right here above these highs. 210. Target these lows. Simple. Let's see if that. Yep. Boom. So you start being able to see this really, really fast, guys. Thanks for your time tonight, guys. Greatly appreciate it. Awesome, man. A little bit more advanced tonight, so hopefully you guys appreciate it. That's cool to say about my son. My son likes the same kind of stuff as me. I love it. We kind of geek out about different training. We'll be like, oh, that's so cool. Let's try that. And we just like geek out about the same things.
Yep.
So right here, okay, I don't even know what's going to happen right here, but let's see if we get a break structure up. Not yet. We can move this down. Look for break structure up. I think we got a new low, did we? No. Yeah, so everything's on a map. There we go. Boom. All right, so we have that. Now let's look. Is the cloud green? The cloud is green right there. So let's just do it when we actually turn green. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Fair value gap.
Boom.
All right. Boom. Let's put 10 on that sucker. I don't even know what time of the day is right here. It's like 7, 8. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like midnight.
This doesn't matter. It works, guys. It just works. All right. Let's just put a 1 to 2 on it. See if it pops. Boom. Look at that, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. What's up, Aero Mech? How you doing, buddy? Early weekend for me. Can't trade tomorrow. Gotta wait till Monday. Hey, man, you made plenty this week. You made plenty this week. Just push the button, bro. Just push the button. You got it. All right. That's it, guys. So 9:59. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you. I'll see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern. If you see this sometime, I gotta probably take that training out, and for anybody that missed it, I'll do like a hand raiser tomorrow. What's the name of the indicator? The indicator is PulseX Premium. You can go to SolomonTrading.com and you get the indicator with that. It's inside my school community, my Telegram community. You get 16 to 20 live trading sessions per month with PulseX Premium. So probably the best value you're going to get in the industry, in my opinion. I am a little bit biased, I guess. But all right, guys, have a great day. Thank you so much, Aiden, for hanging out for the last, I don't know how long it's been.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, man. Oh, this is a good view right here. Darn it. Look at that. That was really
Today
good.
was a good day to like showcase it because I had pretty good trades.
Yeah, it's funny. You had 3 good trades. I lost 2 in the afternoon. So all good. But then it was perfect.
Shared.
Like we would have held that sucker. Oh my gosh, it tanked.
Oh yeah.
Amazing. All right, guys. God bless. Have a great night. Thanks so much, Aiden.